Don't look for the needle in the haystack, just buy the haystack. If you are not sure which company to invest in or are unable to find next Amazon or Apple, don't worry, you don't have to find a successful company out of a large number of businesses out there. Just buy a small portion in all the businesses. Don't be so surprised. John is an interesting fellow and what he said is possible. You can buy the whole haystack by buying an index fund like S&P 500 or FTSE 100 or DAX, etc. There are many index funds out there which you can invest in, and they diversify and they track hundreds or thousands of companies which are worth owning. The biggest risk of all is not taking one. I was talking to a successful small business owner and asked him one tip that he will give to someone trying to start a new business. He said, if you are not fine with losing 100,000, you can never make 100,000. We as individuals take risk every day, whether it is to switch a job or to buy a new television or to invest in stocks. Successful people knows how to manage their risk. 4 most dangerous words in investing are, it's different this time. I would love to explain this quote with another quote. With a good perspective on history, we can have a better understanding of the past and present, and thus a clear vision of the future. Learn from your past to avoid same mistakes in future, as history repeats is true more than it's false. Therefore, do not speculate thinking this time it will be different. Always remember, winners win and losers lose. This is true not only in investing, but in every aspect of your life. Keep this in mind and always invest in winners than in losers. Wide diversification is only required when investors do not understand what they are doing. That is true, and also the main reason why most of us diversify. It's nothing to be ashamed of. We do not understand or invest enough time to understand these things, and hence diversify by buying index funds or any other way. I think diversifying is better in this case, as if someone buys only 1 or 2 stocks without understanding the business behind it is equivalent to gambling. I personally would rather be an investor who accepts that I do not understand and hence diversify than be a gambler. The most contrarian thing of all is not to oppose the crowd, but to think for yourself. How many times have you invested in a company or crypto just because everyone is investing in it? They even have a word for it, FOMO, fear of missing out. Investing without understanding is one of the many mistakes that every investor makes. You don't have to influence decisions of others. You only have to influence your actions. Create a system that helps you in staying focused and does not allow you to make the most common mistakes. I have shared how to create a system in this video. It will help you in creating your own. It's not whether you are right or wrong that's important, but how much money you make when you are right and how much you lose when you are wrong. To be successful in investing, it is acceptable to lose $100 10 times to win $10,000 once, rather than losing $10,000 once to win $100 10 times. Therefore, focus on winning big rather than being right. Proper risk management, cutting your losses, and letting your winners win is the key to be successful in investing. This company looks cheap, that company looks cheap, but the overall economy could completely screw it up. The key is to wait. Sometimes the hardest thing to do is to do nothing. I'll end this video with this quote. Everyone wants to be rich as fast as possible. In their pursuit to be rich as soon as possible, most of us focus on short-term gains and take actions as a speculator than an investor. Being successful in investing is very simple. Just buy good businesses and do nothing, which, my fellow master investors, is not easy. If you enjoyed what you watched, then help Master Investment grow by sharing it with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you next time.